Hi, this is Alken. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Michelle's room, or formerly known as Michelle's room. An update with the Fannie Willis case. Um, it's Bradley. Looks like the client privilege situation didn't pass the smell test. So some of the stuff might be admissible. And let's go what the story says. Fannie Willis braces for potential damaging testimony from key witness by Katie Plummer. Newsweek. The testimony by Nathan Wade's attorney, Terrence Bradley, could have a dramatic impact on Fannie Willis as her ethics hearing continues, legal experts believe. Early this month, Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney, gave evidence in a two-day hearing following an accusation by former Trump staffer and co-defendant Michael Rohn, who she should never have put in that as a defendant. The grand jury did not indict him. She should have left him out. That's her doing. That's her downfall. That she was having an affair with Wade, a special prosecutor she hired in the high-profile case. It was also alleged that the pair has benefited financially from taxpayers' money. Money changes everything. Willis and Wade later admitted that they had a relationship but denied a conflict of interest. The timeline of the relationship, however, has emerged as a key point of contention, with Roman saying it had started earlier than they admitted, and Trump's lawyer examining phone records alleged the pair were in a relationship before the Georgia election fraud case began. Newsweek contacted Willis via LinkedIn for comment. I wonder why she didn't comment. Lincoln has a founder who's funding one of these lawsuits against Trump, by the way. Willis is running the case against Trump, and 18 others who are accused in a 41-count indictment are trying to overturn his 2020 election loss in Georgia. They have a similar case right now happening in Georgia with Dominion. Go figure. But I don't talk about Dominion because, it's a lost cause. Anyway, the former president pleaded not guilty to all 13 charges against him and has said that the case is politically motivated because he is the front runner for the GOP presidential nomination. He's winning all the primaries and the caucus and wiping Nikki on the floor like a mop. But, like a strong mop, she's continuing to go. In the latest development in the Willis hearing, Supreme Court Judge Scott McAfee, who contributed $150 to Willis's campaign, Chambers notified the attorneys in the case by email on Monday certain communications Bradley had with Wade are not protected by attorney-client privilege. I told you it didn't pass the smell test. As he had previously argued and called on him to testify again, according to the sources speaking to ABC News. If Bradley gets evidence claiming that Wade and Willis' relationship began earlier than they said it did, and it's found they lied under oath, it could significantly impact the case. A law professor, Anthony Michael Kress, wrote on X, formerly known Twitter, Terry Bradshaw has the information from things he saw that backdate the Willis-Wade relationship, could be genetic impression or damaging. This is not good. They said tomorrow, which is today, it's going to be dramatic. We may learn a lot of new facts. It may a total dud. Somebody definitely hasn't been treated this with the osmo candor, but that's all we can probably say. The law journalist Anna Bauer said that the hearing could be the most consequential moment in the case. Let's see. And they had some Twitter stuff here and there. No. She says she'll be in court as it happens. And then you have one more person, the legal analyst John Torley called it a significant development, saying, quote, that is significant development, particularly after the filing of the telephone records that opposing counsel argue contradict the testimony of Wade and Willis. The testimony comes after Trump's team subpoenaed Wade's phone records to allegedly show that he was sleeping at Willis's home in September and November of 2021. Trump's lawyer hired a private investigator, a Charles Mittenstein, to investigate phone calls between Willis and Wade, or Wade and Willis. We're talking about Willis. The lawyers wrote in the filing that the prosecution will surely point out that nobody knows what was happening in the house between midnight and 3:28 in the morning on September 12th, or between midnight and 5 a.m. on November 30th. Mr. Stan does not claim to know, neither does President Trump or any defendant in the case. The only two people know, they are certainly the ones who should testify and exactly say what's happening in those occasions, so nobody will complain about improper speculation or improper effects to distort the truth or the nefarious contacts with the media. I don't know if there's anything else here. Nope, that's about it. So, I guess a goose is going to be cooked if Bradley spilled the beans. That's all I have for now. This is Al Kent saying so long for now, and don't forget to stop. Enjoy.